TS diving here at Shady Lady. Go to an after clean video and go ahead and measure our sinks real quick. I do not have my caliper, but I have my shaft tape and a handy dandy fish measure. So I'm gonna use this real quick to measure the plate on the deck. Looks like it's 17. By 3.5, 4 bolt oval. I'm gonna try and get a measurement on your bow thruster sink. This also, so we're gonna go throw it up there and check out your water line at the same time. The worst of the hard growth was right under where this is. Cleaned up all right though. I don't want to bog down too hard. Let's just take it and pick it off. Put all this stuff off.